to the NanoTemp125 Data Logger Overview. The NanoTemp125 is a compact, high-precision temperature data logger engineered for the most demanding environments while offering the same trusted performance as its bigger brother, the HiTemp140. This durable, stainless steel data logger is fully submersible and built for extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees to 125 degrees Celsius, while offering an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, ensuring your data is always accurate. Whether you're validating autoclaves in pharmaceutical or industrial production, food processing or medical device sterilization, the NanoTemp125 delivers reliable, high-precision data you can trust. Designed for the spaces that matter most, the compact data logger also comes in different probe lengths, and despite its small size, the NanoTemp125 can store over 32,000 readings to its non-volatile solid-state memory. If monitoring the internal temperatures of cans, jars, and other containers is more important to you, the NanoTemp125 CF features a threaded end so the logger can securely attach to a container using the MadgeTech canning fitting, allowing the probe to monitor temperature distribution during pasteurization and retort processing. Just like with other MadgeTech data loggers, the NanoTemp125 is fully compatible with the MadgeTech 4 software, giving you the power to graph, analyze, and export the collected data. If you have any questions about the NanoTemp125 or any other MadgeTech data logger, please reach out to our technical support team. Thanks for watching.